Hey guys, so today I wanted to try video as a way of communicating while we're working remotely. Hopefully it's better than reams and reams of text on the forum to have to dig through. Hopefully you prefer this to that, let me know. Today I'm going to talk about our new support charter, which should be launching any day here. So the support charter is a promise to our clients about the support experience, what we'll do, what we won't do, how fast we'll act, and also how they should interact with us. And hopefully the support charter will help to improve the overall support experience and help us know where the limits of support lie. We have two main goals for the charter. One is to improve the overall support score. Obviously, when people leave feedback, we ask them to rate the case from 1 to 5, 5 being excellent. Our average score is pretty good. It runs from 4 to about 4.2, 4.3 a month. We'd really like to hit 4.5 and more, if possible, on a routine basis, which we did hit back in the past. The second point of the support charter is not to leave people hanging. Way back when we started the company 20 years ago, we do anything for anybody, anytime, whether that meant diving into HTML code, JavaScript, PHP. Obviously, that got kind of messy and complicated as the years went on, and we kind of took that away and changed the line in the sand of what we would do. And I think over the last couple of years, we've maybe gone a little bit too far in the opposite direction. Obviously, when people come to us, they're stuck. They need help. They might have failed at Googling, or they don't know where to go next. So we don't really want to leave people hanging. Now, I'm not suggesting that we dive into the code like we used to, but we should point them in the right direction, or where to look next. Or, in fact, one of the things we're going to deploy next is a list of recommended designers, developers, SEO people, security maybe, so that we don't ever get to the point where we say, well, I can't help you with that. You're going to have to go and find a security expert or a designer, because these people are stuck and they don't know where to go. Obviously, I'd like your input on who these people should be. I'm anticipating existing 34SP clients that we know and like, and let me know what kind of skills, again, SEO, design, development, anything else that people struggle with that we can't, go that last mile to help people with. And always check in with me. If you think we might be able to help a client, but you're not sure, check with me. Like, I'm always happy to give SEO help to people. If, I can spend 2 minutes and knock out a couple of paragraphs, as long as it doesn't get into, hours and hours of free SEO support. Anyway, that's the two main goals of the support charter. Going through some elements of the charter, I'll put the link in the video. First of all, we're going to promise to respond to emergencies and try to fix them the same day. I know a lot of people might be concerned, hey, what are we going to do 9, 10 o'clock at night? Somebody's site's down. Well, to be honest, if that happens, we already do respond. If they tweet us, Facebook message, we kind of we already get their site back online out of ours. So that's the first promise, is emergencies we're going to fix the same day. And obviously all of this is aspirational, which is to say it's what we're aiming for. And we might not hit that target. We're only human, we make mistakes, and we'll make it right with the customer, like we do right now if you make a mistake. So I wouldn't get too hung up on what if we don't hit this, because most of the time I'm sure we will, but it helps us kind of focus on how cases should be handled, how quickly, etc. So emergencies, website's done, DNS is breaking a site, stuff's really bad, really, right now. We're going to try and fix those the same day. Next up, simple queries like billing issues. How do I log into FTP? What's my email username? We're going to say a 24-hour resolution. That's from getting the case, the ticket, the phone call, to the customer's case is solved. 24 hours, start to finish. I think that's reasonable. I think for most cases like that, we're actually handling those within the same day anyway, so 24 hours should be fine. And lastly, complex support queries that require troubleshooting, digging into server issues. We're gonna aim for 72 hours on those, which again I think is fairly reasonable if somebody's having a persistent fault, you shouldn't be having it for more than 3 days. But we might have to tweak that as we go forward. But again, this is aspirational. This is what we hope to do. There's some language in the charter about the clients. Let's see, about the client being courteous and respectful to us. There's some advice on them taking backups. Hey, we can't help you. If you haven't taken offline copies of your site, help us to help you, kind of thing. Anyway, that's the support charter. That'll go live in the next few days after everybody's seen this video. Hopefully you like this video format. Would love to get your feedback on that. Let me know. Okay, speak to you all soon. Bye.